On 16th of March 2020, we were all geared up and excited to start the new academic year 2020 to 2021. Just a day before, due to pandemic COVID-19, lockdown was announced in the country by the government of Pakistan. Everyone went into lockdown in their homes. The streets were deserted. Teachers were concerned about their students and their studies. So it was decided to start online classes, which being a new experience was very challenging. Somehow we managed by encouraging and sharing ideas with each other. Most parents were happy, while some were not, but we did not give up.
COVID-19 made us as teachers to challenge our limits and come out of our comfort zones. The principal and head teachers came up with innovative teaching strategies that could meet the need of the hour.
This admin staff was regular on performing their duties, risking their lives but dealing patiently with the parents.
I believe that we have guided the academic year through online education. Many parents discussed with us that they have wasted this academic year through online education, but we beg to differ. There is no comparison between the child who takes online classes and the one who does not.
मैं गुज़श्ता 29 साल से स्टेशन स्कूल नंबर 1 में उर्दू पढ़ा रही हूँ और रूटीन से सारी ज़िंदगी पढ़ाई है, लेकिन अचानक से कोरोना की वबा आई और हमें ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने का ऑर्डर मिला। बच्चे घरों में थे, हमें ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज लगा, लेकिन हमें स्कूल से भी अच्छी ट्रेनिंग मिली। कुछ मेरे बच्चों ने मेरे उस्ताद बने और मैंने बड़ी आसानी से ये सारा साल बच्चों का
एक इशू ये भी था कि इस्लामियात और उर्दू को ऑनलाइन कैसे पढ़ाया जाए, जिसके लिए कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग कंडक्ट की गई और डिफरेंट एजुकेशनल सॉफ्टवेयर सिखाए गए, जिनसे ऑनलाइन टीचिंग में मदद मिली।
हफ्तावार मीटिंग से बहुत से वालिदैन की आरा हमारे सामने आई कि इस वबा के दौरान उनको किस कदर पेचीदा हालात और वाक़यात का सामना रहा। कुछ वालिदैन को माशी ज़बूहाली और कुछ को माशरती मसाइल का सामना रहा और कुछ को तो 2 वक्त का खाना भी दरकार न था, और इन हालात के पेश नज़र उनके लिए सर्वाइव करना किस कदर मुश्किल था। अब देखने की बात यह है कि इन हालात के पेश नज़र बहैज़त उस्ताद हमारी ज़िम्मेदारी क्या थी। हमारी सबसे बड़ी ज़िम्मेदारी ये थी कि वालिदैन की बर वक्त और सही रहनुमाई की जा सके और उनके साथ मुसलसल राब्ते में रहना और उनको ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन सिस्टम को एहसन तरीके से मुस्तफ़ीद करवाना ताकि बच्चों की लर्निंग को बेहतर बनाया जा सके।
The Federal Board annual examination was waived off for class 10th. The students were promoted on the performance of their previous academic year. The result was 100%.
Online teaching was a great challenge for me because I was not much familiar with the apps and the software which are used to teach online. So I want to appreciate my husband and my dearest colleague Ma'am Rahila. Both they helped me all the time whenever I felt any difficulty to teach online to my students. So during online teaching, we had been busy with the students from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Being uncertain about the current academic year, in June 2020, the students' strength started to decrease. Keeping in mind the sharp decline in the general public's income, the senior management of the school decided to give 20% off on tuition fee.
Moreover, there was a misconception that all the teachers were at leisure during lockdown, but we did online activities and worked 24/7. We gave, received, checked and marked online assignments. We compiled all of our work and submitted to our admin and sent to coordination office and responded to parents about the work being done.
The school reopened in September 2020, observing strict SOPs, and the students' strength started to increase. All teaching staff was again charged up, setting up posters, hand wash stations at different areas of school, and sanitizing classrooms. We were excited to be able to see life back in school. Some children came with smiling faces while others had long faces. It was fun watching children running around in the playground, sitting and having lunch in groups. It gave a feeling of reunion of old friends. Students were barely back on track when the schools were again closed down due to the surge in COVID-19 cases in the country, and we were back to online classes. This time the teachers were more experienced and came back with new improved teaching skills.
When schools were reopening in September 2020, many parents requested us to hold online education. So we conducted simultaneously online classes and on-campus activities, not at all compromising on education.
हाँ जी, स्कूल में हमारी ड्यूटी गेट के ऊपर है। तो गेट एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हर किस्म के आदमी से, यानी स्कूल की फर्स्ट पोस्ट है ये, तो हमारा हर किस्म के आदमी से वास्ता पड़ता है। तो कोरोना के दौरान मैंने ये महसूस किया है कि लोग जो हैं उनमें इखलाकी, माशी और सब्र वगैरह का, तहम्मुल मिजाजी वगैरह का अंसर आस्ता आस्ता ख़त्म हो रहा है। जो भी आदमी आता है वो ऐसे उसकी फीलिंग होती है कि जैसे हम उसके लिए यहाँ पे मुलाजिम ठहरे हुए हैं, और वो घर का गुस्सा भी हमारे ऊपर उतारता है। टाइमिंग वगैरह का भी पूछना हो तो बोलने का अंदाज़, बात करने का अंदाज़ समझ से बाहर होता है, गुस्से वाला होता है, जिसकी वजह से परेशानी तो बहुत है। अब इखलाकी तौर पे ये है कि ना तो दुआ सलाम करते हैं, और माशी तौर पर यह है कि घर में माशी भी परेशानियाँ होती हैं, उनका गुस्सा भी आके हम पे उतारते हैं। तो ऐसा मसला है कि हमारी तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये कोरोना ने हमें कौन से सिस्टम में पहुंचा दिए लोगों को, इखलाक, प्यार, मोहब्बत, तहम्मुल मिजाजी वगैरह सब।
Due to pandemic, educational system has greatly suffered. Teachers and students have to do online teaching and studying. At times, parents are too busy to monitor their children properly, which has badly affected the students. They are misusing the mobile phones. I would appeal to the parents kindly supervise their children while they are using mobile phones to overcome the problem of misuse of mobile phones. Thank you.
The uncertain year has brought exceptional shifts in our working environment. The hopeless beginning of the academic year led us to explore and discover new horizons of professional skills.
We sympathize with all those who lost their loved ones. Some students lost their parents and few relatives. The teachers also suffered from COVID-19, but by the grace of God, recovered quickly and are back on duty. We are thankful to the parents for their cooperation and support and wish the same for the future. Thank you.
The challenges of COVID-19 didn't make us stumble as teachers. However, these challenges proved to be a ladder that helped us to climb up and achieve the professional excellence